Today we're out hunting rare Pokemon cards. We found some last week. Let's see if we can do it again. We actually have a restock. It is a beautiful sight. What is in there? Scarlet and Violet and Obsidian Flames. Inside of all of these looks like Obsidian Flames as well. Snoop on the stoop and a bunch of Pokeballs. Let's go crazy here. 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, 24. Okay, I'm eyeing you. J21. Okay, let's take this home. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, I guess you could say these dinosaurs went extinct. Uh-oh. Paldea evolved. The Jirachi V. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh my God. What do we got? Alakazam EX. We found something, guys. We found something. C22. These are C23. And I'm pretty sure all of the new tins you're going to find are going to be C23, which does not have Evolving Skies, which is what we want. This looks like also C23. So those are safe to avoid. I think an Astral Radiance, maybe a Lost Origin, which is not a bad price for those if you're interested in ripping those packs. These are something I haven't seen before. I can't believe they put base Scarlet and Violet inside of these. I'm not sure what series this is, but there's Ditto, and there's the Sword from Sword and Shield, and Omnimite, I believe. I don't know if I say that right. I've never been tested. Whoa, those are cool little figure sets. Are these like high-end Ninja Turtles or something? I've never seen these before, and they're kind of insane. You have like the bad guys down here that are all like super highly detailed. All right, here's the front of this Walmart, and it is newly stocked. There's some Paradox Rift tins here, which have, of course, Paradox Rift and Temporal Forces. Your Crown Zenith tin here, just one of those. Surging Sparks. Not all Surging Sparks inside, but a few packs. The rest are Stellar Crown. A couple tins for you guys if you like these. I'm not actually sure what's inside of those. The Charizard EX Premium Collection, and of course, the Grand Adventure Collection. Just a couple in stock at Walmart this week. Wake up, Squirtle. We got some Pokemon cards to look out. We have our Jirachi V. Quite a few of these actually in stock right now at this Walmart. Shrina EX Collection. I do like these sleeves that come with it. It also comes with this card holder so you can put your Shrina EX inside of it. What do we have back hidden behind here? It's Tyranitar. We saw a lot of these things last week. And they are still in stock after Christmas, which is crazy. Lots of tins hanging here. These are all C23, really nice set. But this is going to have Astral Radiance and Lost Origin inside. The Articuno and Zapdos collection here with your Silver Tempest and Astral Radiance. A couple of sleeves you could pick up if you're interested in sleeves. If you're looking to play the game, this could get you started. The Zeraora V set. A nice little collection, but not really something you would want to invest in. And here we have our 3-pack of Paradox Rift for $14.98. Paldea Evolved in stock still. What is going on with the Paldea Evolved? Why is it still around? Look at that promo though. It's time for the Pokeball roulette. What are we going to get? An A24, an A24, 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 and the last Pokeball. A24. Hey guys, we're at a brand new Walmart and oh my goodness, they have locked it up. Let the Pokemon be free. We got Temporal Forces, Twilight Masquerade, hidden behind the bars, another Shrouded Fable ETB, Paradox Rift ETBs, what? $55. I mean, not for that price, but whoa, I've actually never seen them in stock like this. We have a Paradox Rift just kind of casually sitting here on top. Shrouded Fable booster bundle here, some Charizard EX, Ogerpon EX. There's a Charizard collection. A lot of Obsidian Flames inside of that one. And then, of course, the Ogerpon with some Surging Sparks and Stellar Crown inside there. The Charizard EX Premium Collection, of course, still in stock. What do we have over here? We have, oh no, still Trick or Trade. Don't ever buy these kind of things, guys. These are just resealed Junko. This is a bit more what I expected to find at Target. Now, I am surprised that we have Surging Sparks in stock for $6. That is actually crazy to me. We have one Ogerpon, one Cleavor, a few more Surging Sparks just kind of laying around here. Astral Radiance Elite Trainer box. Let's have a look at this. Very cool. A couple Slowpoke Knockout collections here. Iron Leaves EX Battle Deck. Our Terapagos EX Ultra Premium Collection. Still in stock here at Target, but not much left. Completely empty shelf. And we have a Charizard hiding underneath with a couple more Ultra Premium collections. What? Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Wait a minute. Shrouded Fable, $55. That is it. And you got your Terapagos Super Premium, Ultra Premium collection. Maybe Doctor Who Magic if you want. Guys, not even a single skibbity toilet left. Here is the back of the Walmart. What do we have? Oh my gosh, it's like life after war. What even is Moana? Oh, another down soldier. Where do we find Pokemon cards? The day after Christmas? I don't think we do. Pikachu? Pikachu, wake up. Wake up. What have you seen? He's non-responsive. A lot of times you guys say your targets never look like how mine do because mine are usually completely full. Well, this is the day after Christmas. And yeah, that's the Pokemon section there. Not a lot to be seen. Here is the other Pokemon section. And of course, also completely wiped out. And oh, here we go. Terra Team. These are the only Pokemon cards I saw in this entire Target today, the day after Christmas. Oh, $69.99 for the Team Terra. Only one left. A couple Ogre Pawns here sitting on the shelf. Not going to make it through the holidays, I'm afraid. Here we go. Some more Terra Team sitting here. Mostly Lorcana. Some Toy is here for some reason. And then if you come down here, the premium collections has been all banged up, ripped up. 2 entire rows of Leatherhead in stock. It was the day after Christmas and I could not find a single Pokemon card that I could call mine. And oh yeah, they got the Street Sharks in stock. All of them. Well, the ones that nobody likes, I think. Shrouded Fable, everyone's favorite, in stock here as well. We also have the Galarian Tins. We have your Zapdos and your Moltres in stock. This is going to have Crown Zenith packs inside, which are nice packs to have. Some of people's favorites packs to open. Over in the holiday section, it's $18.99 for the Grand Adventure Collection. Ooh la la, very nice looking collection. Surging Sparks, Stellar Crown back there, and Obsidian Flames. You got your 4 packs, your Terapagos and Friends promo, and 2 other promos right there on the front. It looks like Terra Team was hard to sell this holiday season. Quite a few still in stock. For $70, I can understand why. A lot of cool promos, but really not worth the value. Only 9 packs included in this box with your 5 different promos. I am surprised to see this many Ogre Pawns here for $40 at Target. 6 packs inside. Those sleeves are actually pretty cool. The promo is cool. You have your holder here. This is like a little case to put that card inside of. Surging Sparks inside. Stellar Crown as well. A good little set. I'm surprised it has stuck around after the holidays. Yes, it's me. I'm back. My name is Cassidy. I was at the beginning of the video. We're opening up this J21 today. If you look in the background, there's a J23 and a J21. We are looking for Evolving Skies. It could have it. It could have it in here. We're just going to have to find out. This is seriously taking me so long. I don't even have the plastic off, but I'm just gonna, okay, there we go. I do not think we're gonna get Evolving Skies. I think we're gonna have Evolving Cries. Are you ready? Here we go. Scarlet and Violet base. Oh, that's no good. Yes, I did not learn my lesson last week. How dare you evolve? No. Don't tell me it's Obsidian Flames. It is. Oh, wow. I did not learn my lesson. I forgot, guys. That's my bad. But because of that, let's open up a pack. I'm just going to rip open this pack and have a good time. You know what? We've earned it. You got to call me. Oh, look at Jigglypuff, though. Okay. Jeff Rigg. I'm not reading names, guys, because I'm not very good at practice studio. Okay. Before I got to. Okay, how are we doing? Quaxwell. Squirtle. Ooh, Palmo. The Palmy. You got the Palmy combo. Do you have another? Oh, let's take it. That means we're putting this on the Pokeball wall of shame back behind me. And through the magic of editing, there it is. Our 3rd failure. If you guys want to see my last attempt at Evolving Skies, you can check out that video right here. Be sure to subscribe if you have not. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next video.